If you're trying to receive money on Zelle and suddenly realize your bank isn't listed on the Zelle network, you're not alone. Every week, thousands of people run into this issue and start wondering whether their money is stuck or if they need to switch banks. The good news is that there are clear steps you can take to receive your funds safely, even if your bank is not officially partnered with Zelle. First, it is important to understand how Zelle works. Zelle is a payment network built into many U.S. banks, but the platform also supports a standalone Zelle app. When your bank isn't listed inside the Zelle network, it simply means the bank has not integrated Zelle directly into its mobile app. It does not mean you cannot receive your money. The next step is to check if you can enroll using a Visa or MasterCard debit card. The Zelle app allows users whose banks are not listed to enroll with a supported debit card. When you enroll this way, Zelle treats your card as the receiving channel. Once the sender transfers the money, the funds will be sent to the debit card you attached. To do this, download the Zelle app, enter your mobile number or email, and select the option that says your bank is not listed. Zelle will then prompt you to add your Visa or MasterCard debit card. Once verified, you are ready to receive money. If your debit card is not eligible, this is usually because the bank is not compatible with instant transfer networks. In that case, the sender may need to cancel the payment on their end. You should ask the sender to check the payment status. If it still shows as pending, they can cancel it and send the funds using an alternative method. Zelle only works smoothly when both parties are fully enrolled. If your enrollment fails, the sender will not be able to complete the transfer. The next option is to receive the money using a different bank account that is Zelle supported. If you have a second bank account, or can open a no-fee digital bank account that supports Zelle, you can attach that bank instead. Banks like Bank of America, Wells Fargo, Chase, U.S. Bank, and many regional banks allow quick Zelle registration. Once you enroll through a supported bank, any Zelle payments sent to your email or phone will go directly into that account. Zelle payments follow your email or phone, not the specific bank, so once your enrollment is complete, the money automatically flows to the latest active account you registered. Another option is to ask the sender to use your email instead of your phone number. Sometimes, one method works when the other does not. Trying the alternate method may help Zelle connect your identity successfully to your debit card. If none of these solutions work, the most reliable alternative is to switch the payment method. You can request the sender to use Cash App, PayPal, Venmo, or a direct bank transfer. All of these methods work regardless of whether your bank is listed on Zelle. When Zelle is unable to verify your card or bank, the best solution is to avoid the delay and choose a payment method your bank supports fully. To prevent this problem in the future, consider opening at least one bank account that supports Zelle. Many people keep a secondary online banking account just for receiving Zelle payments. This avoids blocked transfers, pending payments, and verification issues. It also gives you full control over how quickly you get your money. In summary, you can still receive your money from Zelle even if your bank is not listed. Your first option is to enroll using a Visa or MasterCard debit card directly inside the Zelle app. If that fails, the sender can cancel and resend the payment using a supported bank, an alternate email or phone, or an entirely different payment method. And if you want a long-term solution, opening a Zelle-supported account guarantees smooth transfers every time. The key is understanding that your money is not lost, it simply needs an approved channel before it can be delivered. That's how to receive Zelle payments when your bank isn't listed. If you found this helpful, consider checking out more guides like this to keep your digital banking smooth and stress-free.